Miller time. We got them finally shoveled out, dug out. In fact, I'm gonna pull into their driveway. The driveway we just cleaned out. My truck's, you know, that's one thing I didn't ask her was how big their vehicle is. If they got a big old little bit of snow on the road there where we. I wonder if they got a big old Cadillac. It's gonna be tight. We cleaned off one side, but then where's my map at? What the heck? And we got it. It's just getting dark, but they are so happy to be able to come home. The mom said she had a fundraiser to get working on, and they say there's a lot of rain coming. Oh boy, I'm driving right in the sun. Not a good deal. Anyway, I got some off their deck too. That deck, a lot of decks collapse up here. Their deck, I took pictures for them underneath of the deck, and the roof looks good. They've only got about 6 inches of snow on the roof, which is, and it's melting fast. That roof was dripping all down my back when I was working. It actually felt good. It was cold water, but it felt good. See all the water running off? If they get a lot of rain with this runoff, and this rain is going to cause more runoff from the snow, so it could be round 2. They were going to come home tomorrow. I was trying to get them to come home. The storm's going to be tomorrow and Wednesday. They might not be able to come home. A lot of slides, and the Narrows is closed and Arctic Circle's closed because due to slides. So they may not even be able to come up tomorrow. They were to come up around 3, so that's depending on if they can get up here. I remind them, you know, that if they can wait, you don't want to be coming up here with downpour. I was trying to pick some place. Oh, get over, car. You're going to cut those corners short, you're going to lose the front end. I'm so tired of people staying in your damn lane. Try a new place. What was it? I was looking at Diane's Grill or something. There's an Italian place in Blue Jay. I hit Papagayo's. I haven't been there. God, we were talking about it when they moved 15, 20 years ago. That used to be the place to go up here. So I'm going to try this Italian place. It looked like it was in the village. Go home and take a nice hot bath. I'm gonna soak the bones. Oh baby, that's a workout. I would definitely invest in a snowblower. There were some guys coming next to me. There's 3 guys I guess they got hired to clean the house next to me, a couple houses down. So I said, ready, go. So I went out about an hour before sundown. I started dancing around doing a victory dance. They're looking at me like, you're crazy. I still had about 10 feet to go. And they finished. That looks like a comm line right there. That wire hanging, that looked new. That wasn't there when I went over for lunch. Anyway, the guy, he's shaking his head like, no way. But they beat me. That snowblower's the way to. You almost got to have one up here, but the problem is, like they were asking me about it, or no, somebody else asked me about it. You got to be able to get to it. You know, when you're buried, if you come up here, like I was trying to get a look at their gas line, I couldn't see their gas line. Take it easy there. They're gonna dig it out tomorrow because I couldn't find it. Of course, I had more shoveling to get over there where you could see it. Yeah, that problem, like somebody said they went to the river and they didn't want to be up here. They thought 3 to 4 feet of snow, so they put their snowblower, some other stuff underneath their like balcony. It was like a little overhang storage area, and balcony porch collapsed on their vehicle, on their Dodge truck, brand new Dodge truck. And it also buried their snowblower. You know, everything they needed to get to was underneath that buried. It looked like it wanged that truck pretty hard. Probably totaled it. That's so sad to see the damage. When all this melts, they're going to really be able to see the damage. A lot of them won't know until it melts. Put your lights on. Jesus Christ. I gotta go left up here somewhere. Let's see. That ain't it. It's by the gas station. Yeah, this is the one that was confusing. There's a stop sign behind that mound, but you can't see it. I think I blew this one time before through here. I couldn't see a stop sign, so I rolled on out. Luckily, nobody was there or coming, you know, the other way. This time I saw a little bit of red. Yeah, it's starting to melt down where you can start to see stuff. Yeah, that's an iffy spot. There's that tail light. And there's a guy, this is getting a white car. This is not. You get a ticket? Or is that a lotto ticket? That's a ticket. Ouch. That's probably for blocking the roadway. Yeah, it definitely is. That wasn't on there when I went to lunch. But yeah, you can't hang out like that. The plow comes around, or even cars. And some people think they can walk on the far line, hanging over. There was a guy the other day with a picture. Somebody sent me a picture of the guy was stealing oranges with he had 2 kids with him. He's teaching the kids, hey, let's steal. And he's arguing with the landowner. You're trespassing and you're stealing. And he's like all indignant that she called him out. Oh shit! And he's got a stop sign. He's standing in the roadway. His ass end of his vehicle's hanging in the roadway. Real narrow road on a green spot. I better pay attention to my. But he's standing in the roadway talking to her. That's sick. I don't know. Oh, is it right here? Oh, there's room. Yeah, it's right here. Yikes. Am I going to have room? That's handicapped. Oh, Jesus. We may not be eating here. Yeah, that's handicapped. He's actually parked in the handicap. Yeah, right there, vehicles blocking snowplows. Yeah, you don't want to be stupid. I may not be eating here. Puglia? Ruglia? No parking, huh? No parking? Yeah, I'm a little late getting over here. What time is it? I saw that Jeep. Where did I see this Jeep at? I saw this. I can't nose in. Well, if I nose in next to this Jeep, I really hate the MD Hunter. Park on blue because then somebody will take your picture and say, hey, see this guy? Even though it's a emergency. Oh, there's this guy coming out of here with his little Matchbox car. If he thinks I'm getting in there, he's crazy. Maybe. Oh, I'm running over some snow. Somebody. I probably can't get in here. pinned in there. Oh crap. Mandarin Gardens. Is this part of them? What's this one? What's weird is everybody had a 4 rating. It kind of makes me wonder how come everybody's got a 4 rating over here. I'm gonna grab his spot. And I'm gonna back in, I think. There's his handicap. See you later.